What's up guys, it's Israel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to hack WhatsApp. So in this video tutorial I'll be using two devices, Android and PC. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have installed WhatsApp on these two devices. So after that, open WhatsApp on your PC. Right, you'll be directed to this page. After that, open your victim's WhatsApp on Android like this. Right, click on these three dots and click on WhatsApp web. Right, as you can see guys, you need to scan this code on your PC using Android. Okay, done. So guys, as you can see, this is what is on my WhatsApp. As you can see, look at it. This is my WhatsApp. 466. Someone is recording. That's it. That's all guys. So make sure you give thumbs up to my video and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Goodbye.